Hello guys, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 2. People love this phone because the telephone design is amazing. It's elegant and beautiful. Okay, now we are going to take a look at it. On its right side there is a button for turning the telephone on and off. It has an 8 megapixel camera and produces the picture in HD. There is a pen which helps you with the various activities you will do on this phone. On its left side there is a button to turn the sound up and down. Now we'll open the menu and take a look at it. Here are the applications. You can install whatever apps you want, such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Now we'll open the contacts. They are organized alphabetically. They are divided by two groups and favorites. We hope you enjoyed our presentation and we hope you liked the telephone. If you want more info about the phone, please visit our site. Bye!